Introducing our NogPros. This is for noggin setbacks for our plumbers. So our NogPros come in two sizes. We've got 30mm and 35mm, which is the most common setbacks you want to do for your noggins. This is also 90mm here, so it slots into a timber. So you can slot your timber in. You know it's a perfect setback of 30mm, and then use your nail gun to screw in your noggin. It can be done on your right side of your noggin, then you flip it around and do your left side. So you can do both sizes. We've got a range of colors to suit your favorite color or your business colors. We can also do custom text here for your company name or your personal name or gifting for a friend, whatever it may be. The reason I created the NogPro is, even though I'm a Sparky by trade, I'm on site most days, and I saw plumbers struggling with a tape measure, then they're using a set squares or they're using a piece of offcut of 45 timber, whatever it may be. That wasn't the problem. The problem was they were spending valuable minutes trying to find that scrap piece of timber or using multiple tools, especially when we're doing bathroom renovation. Like, there's got to be a better way that they're trying to use different things to find a 30mm and 35mm setback. So that's why we created the NogPro. There's a couple little details on our NogPro that you may have not noticed. So one, we've got this window in the middle. This is perfect when you're grabbing your tape measure to mark your center point of where your noggin's going to be. So say you're doing 600, you can see that. They've also got this black line you can line up. So if you're marking the corner of a stud, you'll be able to see that pencil mark. Number two is we have this black line. This is perfect for if you set up a laser for the whole room, you've got multiple noggins you need to put in all at the same height. Set up this laser, match it up. Number three is we've got these notches here. So this space here is 90mm. So you can actually slot a noggin in there and it will hold it. And number four is we've got a hole here for your carabiner, so you can easily put in your tool belt or your tool bag or hang it wherever you need be. We've got 35mm this side and at the bottom in case you want to flip it around and do both sides of the noggin. Although I'm a Sparky and I can't actually test this myself, we sent this out to over 10 plumbers around Australia for some testing and feedback, and we got really good results. They loved it. They thought it was a lot more efficient and productive using the NogPro. They were able to use it on both sides. Obviously we've got the most common setbacks, 35mm and 30mm.